Yo, hell yeah, two at a time, fool. Find them, fuck 'em, and flee, baby. I'll check you later.
you doing? I'm Rap DeAngelis, business consultant.
Your lab team's crying out to break down a tank for parts, so you're gonna deliver for them. Make the collect, and make the drop, and fill in all the details in between.
Oh my lord!
Okay, well, as long as you know the lab needs supplies to run, as long as you know that.
Oh, Jesus! Oh my God! You suck! Asshole! Oh, Jesus!
Hey guys, sorry about Hey bro, what's up? Hey bro.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear my brother.
Hey,
I died.
let's go. You alright?
Yeah, I was trying to use the chopper to pick up the stuff, but it ain't working, bruh.
Trying my best to shoot off the cops, bro, but I couldn't even get
Yeah.
him, bro. I
You
think those guys kicked you.
No, they didn't kick me. I was still in the lobby.
Yeah. No, they kicked you, bro, and here I had to join you.
Yeah, I was the only one left in there, which is good. We can do our
Yeah.
missions
Yeah.
in peace.
Right.
I love lobbies like this.
We're in a, yeah.
They would do the same thing on PlayStation 4. I don't know how they did that. Some glitch.
Right now. Right now, we're gonna put the helicopter down somewhere in the city, and
Yeah.
then we're gonna start up a headhunter mission, but we're gonna be out of the helicopter.
Okay.
The headhunter mission, bro, is paying $107,000, bro, every
Oh.
mission.
Oh, that's what happening this week. This is the weekly.
Yeah,
Crazy.
yeah, I guess so. I know,
I
bro.
could,
I'm
I
a
could,
million. I
I could
spent
make
all
a
my
million.
money, and I'm a
Yeah.
billionaire again. Set it
Wow.
up now. Set up headhunter.
Really? I could be a millionaire pretty fast. Let's go, bro.
Start headhunter. Yeah, let's go. Oh man, I'm so glad, dude. It's been
Yeah.
a while since I had this mode.
Yeah.
Oh,
$170,000.
107.
Wow.
Basically 100K. Dude, that's crazy, huh, man? It's like
Yep.
times 4.
Yep.
It's like times 4.
I remember we used to do those things a lot. That's how we got rich also.
See if you can shoot him with your. See if you can shoot him with the missile. No, it's alright. There it goes.
No, I'm not at the front. I have to be at the front with you, bro. I'm at the side.
It's alright, bro. Oh, okay.
Yeah, how was your day, bro?
A lot of rain.
Oh, I hate those cars. Those armored car. You need like 3 missiles. Or 4 to kill them, right?
Yeah.
It was so
I'm trying to stay my distance
yeah.
because I don't want to blow up.
It was so easy when you have an oppressor. But I'm happy they're not gonna carry it in GTA 6.
For real, bro.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna. Do you think it's gonna be more real?
Oh, definitely.
Damn, I can't wait.
Yeah.
Let's see how it is.
But
People are saying that you can make money on it, bro.
yeah. That's what I want to do here, bro. That's why I'm trying to build my community. Yeah, this mission was so easy with an oppressor. Oh my god.
Hey,
Do you have one?
what?
An oppressor.
No. Not yet.
Super expensive.
Yeah, I was saving up for it, but I ended up buying another changing my business location.
Mm.
So it costs a lot of money, bro.
Oh my God, yo,
Oh
how
shit.
the hell you
Oh,
ain't eat that? What?
oh
That's
crap.
that's cool, bro. Yo, that's dope, bro.
It was 105.
So you got that also?
Yeah. Yep. Dang, bro, that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. You. What we should do is alternate between each other's thing.
All
So
right, wait up.
yeah,
Don't stop yet. Don't quit yet because it's gonna kick us out the helicopter. Wait until we land.
yeah. So what we're gonna do is when you land, you switch to yours. Then I do. Then you do it, and then you switch back to mine every time. Bruh, what the hell?
Go for it. And
Yeah. So that's how we could boycott this. You see the plan, bro, right? That's yours. Enjoy.
I sent it.
So that's
I
how we're.
sent you invite.
Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it, bro. Back and forth, back and forth.
Let's see if it works. I still have the cooldown.
You have it?
Dang, dude, it's still the same.
Damn.
Cooldown.
Damn. They caught up. They caught up on our tricks.
For real, dude. Damn. Here, let's get in the bag and drink, bro.
I think somebody snitched on this one
Hey,
and say,
guess
hey,
you can,
huh?
hey, can you help me out with something?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
All right, let's see what we're gonna see. Gonna do some gun running missions. Steal some hardware real quick, bro.
The only building I didn't buy, and that was on purpose, was this one, the tallest one. I didn't see a use for it, so I didn't buy it.
Yeah.
I think it was waste of money. I owned everything else. Yeah, I did a. Oh my God, you got the terabyte. I hate you.
Probably in like 30 more minutes you'll have it. Hopefully.
Mhm.
We gotta run missions too for you.
Yeah.
We gotta fill your supplies up.
Yep, that's what I was trying to do. But you were doing a good job. The only reason why I died is when I shot the tank, but the tank got destroyed so
Sounds
easily.
old-fashioned, but we don't like large concentrations of weapons on foreign yachts just offshore. You're welcome to keep any supplies you find on the boat on your GPS. Going quiet, going loud,
We
it's
gotta
up to
go
you.
to Toledo Bay.
How the hell I
Damn,
get
it's
it
all
on?
far.
How the hell
Are
I?
you in here with? Let's go, bro.
I'm
Are you in
trying.
the helicopter with me?
No, I'm trying to get out. Okay, now it exits. It wasn't allowing me at first. I'm like, bruh.
Yeah, dude. Things fast.
Yeah.
Costs us $10,000 though.
What?
I don't want to Yeah, $10,000 just to get this helicopter to use
Wow.
while I'm part of Secure Serve.
Yeah, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, it costs some money.
What's your day?
How was my day?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did a lot. I did a lot of washing, laundries. Yeah,
You
that's
have a
pretty.
lot of laundry today?
Yeah, I did.
Mm. Nice, dude. Now you have clean clothes.
Yeah, takes forever though.
Did it take?
The laundry day was long.
Take the helicopter down there. I thought there was enemies, but there's none. But this mission is, bro. Poppin'. I guess we're going to the, I don't know. Maybe we're supposed to use the boats, because we'll probably blow up.
Mm,
You think so? Yeah, well, these wouldn't be here for no reason. I got a text message. Does it say boats are anchored nearby? You can use them for a quiet approach to the yacht. Alright. Let's go and see.
I'm so happy you're here, cause trust me, bro. I've been here for a minute. I was falling asleep when I saw you. I'm like, oh my God, thank you. You bought that boat?
Huh?
You bought the
No,
boat?
this is a mission.
Oh yeah, yeah, I remember this mission. Kind of.
It says use silencer weapons, bro. Never mind. I fucked that up. Be careful. I found the package.
You leaving now?
No, we're gonna help you. We'll help you find yours. Where you at, bro? You wanna talk?
No?
I'm coming up. Careful, careful.
Chopper above fight, shooting at me. Yeah. Are you inside the boat?
Yeah. Oh. Where you at?
I'm inside the boat,
Oh, okay.
but I'm upstairs.
You're upstairs? How'd you get up there?
Huh? I'm trying to find. Where are you? At the lower floor?
I'm inside the boat. I'm inside the boat. Yeah, like probably underneath you. I'm right here behind you.
Oh.
Dang, you're all legendary. Y'all playing on no aim.
Huh?
I said y'all legendary. Y'all playing on no aim. Or free aim. Where's the other one?
Got
Got
one.
it?
Yeah. Is that everything?
The helicopter. On here. Alright, so heck yeah, bro. Nice and smooth.
Yep. Chopper is damaged though.
We're gonna get this one. Ain't that cool, bro?
Yeah, that's cool, bro. Yeah, that was a smooth mission, bro.
Bro.
One thing about me and you though, bro, when we focus, we do our missions pretty cool.
Bro. That's how we do.
Yep. We just need some more people here now with us.
Bro. Whoa, this helicopter low. You haven't met nobody today yet, bro?
No, yeah, bro. Let me be honest. At this stage of GTA, a lot of people ain't played no more.
Yeah.
GTA been out how many years? 15 years? That's long, bro.
Yo.
Everybody's playing other games and waiting on GTA 6. Yo, that day is gonna be so crazy.
For real.
Yo, the servers are gonna crash. They're gonna need a lot. Do you know that the U.S. Army is giving soldiers 4 days off to play GTA 6? You knew that, right?
Nah. I never knew that. Are you streaming?
Yes, I am.
Damn, my leg. I guess I freaking bumped I bumped my leg today, bro.
You did
It
what?
kind of hurt. I bumped my leg today.
Sorry about that, bro.
Oh damn! It was all like it was kind of an accident, but
Uh,
my leg's all sore now. Damn, look how much. Let me see. Let's check how much this is worth, bro. We might sell this. I don't want it to get too high. I don't want it to where we have to sell like 4 loads. Let me see. So,
oh, I got you.
oh, we straight. Alright, let's go. Let's get this sold.
Yeah, but the good thing is, ain't nobody in the lobby, so we good.
For real, bro. It's a public lobby too.
Yep.
Let me see who's all on. Let me see an invite.
I'm at the door when you're ready, bro. You're outside?
No, I got lost.
Are you outside or inside the bunker?
I'm about to go outside.
You got lost in your bunker? No worries, it happened to me too.
Yeah. I went to go buy a soda. Go outside. Where you at, Santos?
I'm at the door to leave the bunker. Where are you?
I'm outside.
Okay.
Outside.
We need to plan the day, bro, so we have more time.
Alright, now we can run a headhunter, but we gotta go to the city first.
Yep.
Hey, you like the new car? I have an opportunity you may be interested in. I have a list of vehicles that my contacts would like to get a hold of. You find the cars and bring them to me at the docks, and I will make it worth your while. I'll text you the details.
Beautiful city. So how's the leg, bro? Damn, I hate when you do that thing. It's so risky.
Oh. Almost crashed.
But you almost got it, though.
Right.
Yeah. You're a cool pilot, bro. No worries.
Probably gotta hop out.
Huh? God, they're close by.
We gotta get far from the car. We gotta get away from the car. Far from the helicopter. Come on, bro.
It already started.
Yeah, I know, but we're trying to call up the other helicopter.
Oh, the other one.
Yeah, we're trying to call out the one with the missiles. You're hopping. Hopping. Hopping, bro. You up.
Let's go get him, bro. Oh, sorry. You take that.
You're
It's okay. You need to hit it one more time. The car is tough. What? What kind of glitches? What? That's crazy. Yeah, when they run out the car. Oh, that's crazy.
What happened?
No, it's just so funny when you shoot the head, do the VIP missions. Them dudes
Yeah.
run out the car.
Oh yeah.
It's
Yeah.
funny. Wow. One more to go.
One more.
One more. So what do you do today, bro?
I had to dig a hole. My grandma's having a ceremony, so I had to dig a hole.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a outside, using an outside, like, it's like an outhouse where people use the restroom.
Yeah.
So it's like, I had to dig a hole so people's shit can go into the hole.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
I know for sure you're super tired.
I'm alright, dude. I'm all used to shoveling dirt and using a shovel. So like I'm all used to it. I can out shovel a lot. I can out shovel a regular person, bro.
Mm,
You know what I mean?
This is a courtesy call from Merriweather
Yeah.
Security Consulting. We're expanding our domestic operation and want you to be aware of our exciting new munitions delivery service. Anytime, anywhere, your Second
What
Amendment
the hell?
rights are just a phone call away. Simply dial this number.
why I
pay a
keep
fee,
diving?
and one of our
I know,
agents will
dude.
deliver
Like,
munitions
bro,
straight
I'm
to
telling
you.
you.
More services will be available shortly.
I always,
so watch this
I've always noticed that it does that.
So weird.
It's- um, but we're on a cool off time. Start up a secure server, bro.
Alright. Trying to get snacks. What should I do now, bro? Hey, why you hit me?
Secure server, secure. Start a secure server.
Oh.
Think about my character, bro. Check it out.
Huh?
Think about my character.
Mm. That's how you look?
Is that how he looks? I mean, like, look what I'm wearing. Do you think it's pretty cool?
Yeah.
Probably not, huh? It's alright, huh?
It looks cool, bro.
I look undercover, like Secret Agent, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to find this secure pro thing. I'm not
Secure
seeing
serve.
it.
Start secure serve.
I'm not seeing it.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Exit. Close it and open back up again. Register as the boss.
What you said, bro? Sorry.
Register as the boss.
Oh. Oh. I just did. Sorry, I fell asleep a while ago.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It happens, bro. Yeah. Why don't let me pop you?
Send me invite, bro.
Yeah, I did. I need an energy drink. Jeez. Where we going now, bro?
Gonna go to your bunker. You're gonna fly.
Seriously.
Huh? What? You're gonna fly us to the bunker. Ready?
You better pray to God I don't fall asleep while flying.
Yeah, you better fly us, bro. I gotta go grab me water while you fly. Alright.
I pray to God I ain't fall asleep, guys.
Boy. Bro, I'll be right back.
Alright, bro. Alright, here we go, guys. Yep. Guys, I'm so tired. But hope I'm going the right way. There we go. Ooh. I going? Did I reach? Wait, let me see if I'm there. Oh my god, I'm not even close by, bruh.
This is a
Oh shucks. Oh shucks. Sorry, bro.
You're funny. Funny guy.
Are we almost there? Yes. Yeah. Oh god. Yo, I fell asleep a while ago. I was trying so hard, bro.
For real? Do you want to go to bed?
I'm pushing a little bit. Man, I need us to do this in the day, bro.
For real, bro. I need you to get on.
Yeah, I need to. Even without the
Yeah,
stream, even
I'm
without,
not gonna lie, bro. Huh?
huh? Even without
Go
the
ahead.
stream, we just play some games together. You know what I'm saying? bro?
Yeah.
We need to get some peeps to roll with us, man. Jeez, there we go. You tired, bro?
A little bit.
Man. If you wanna go get some rest, you
It's
should.
fine.
Jeez, I ain't got.
I'm just munching out some chips.
Yeah.
I'm munching out some hot chips. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Go to your computer, and then log in, and then go to sell, but don't sell it yet. Check what the prices are.
Isn't okay? Isn't the value okay? I don't think it'd be much. My supplies are low. That's why I wanted to steal some stuff.
Did you know it's really not 105? It's probably really worth like 250,
Mm,
80.
mm.
Where'd you do laundry?
Huh?
Wash clothes at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, it took all day. I would
Yeah.
imagine
Yeah, it took.
I would imagine it takes all day.
Yeah, because I had a lot of clues. A lot, bro. I should go sell stock. Yeah.
Huh?
Sell to Los Santos is $225.
Damn. Alright, well, shall we go check? Oh. Let's go outside. Start up.
Wow.
Head on.
Oh, hey, don't say.
I'll call up my buzzard. Fly the one we have.
Heading back outside, right? Yep.
Sign.
Yeah, I'm heading outside now.
Come on.
I'm outside now. Coming outside now. Ah. Trying to fight the sleep, bro. I think after this one, I'm gonna get some rest. Yo, your nephew. Takes a lot, man. Mm.
So helicopter's about to go down.
Yeah. That's when I crashed in the mountain.
Oh no. I'm trying to call up my other helicopter, but it's glitching out.
Mm.
Wait up first. Come on. Oh no,
my
it's gonna
God,
go
it's
down.
going down.
Going down, bro. I'm going down.
No.
Get out. Come, bro. Come to me.
I'm scared.
Scared, okay?
It's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow. Where are you? Okay. Have you ever flew that helicopter and accidentally chopped someone with a blade, killed them?
Start up a headhunter.
Aren't we? Shouldn't we get out the chopper first?
Okay. Oh.
Headhunter. Here we go.
Take this one. Take that helicopter.
Huh?
I'll take. Go, I have this one.
Oh, you wanted to split up? Okay, yeah. You could cover the more ground.
Can you fly that one?
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Which way do you want to go? Left or right?
Huh?
I'll go left, you go right, alright?
I'm just going somewhere. I'm going behind the mountain.
Can barely hear you.
I'm going behind the mountain.
Oh, okay. I'll go right then.
Yeah, definitely. Remembering the buttons.
Uh-huh.
Well, that was fast.
I want that 100K.
Yeah.
That's how bad I want that 100K.
Oh, this place. Oh, shoot. Almost died.
Have you get that one yet, bro?
No.
Huh?
Why isn't it rockets firing?
What do you mean?
They're not firing. Isn't it like box to fire them? Yeah, it's not firing, bro. Damn. Homing missiles ain't firing. Neither the guns. Maybe it's yours only working, bro. Yep.
Huh?
My chopper is about to
Maybe
die.
maybe,
too.
maybe you gotta push square until you get the missiles out. Know what
Yeah, I
mean?
did. But it's not working.
You know what I mean?
It's
For
not
real?
working. Yeah,
What?
it's not firing
Man, I wonder what's going on with it.
because it's not mine. It's yours.
Just
Damn. They're about to kill me, bro.
just call your car up, bro. That's right.
I think it's because it's yours. Now they're shooting at me. Oh damn, they're killing me. Yep, they killed me. I'm so rusty. Listen, I ain't used to these stuff. I used to being rich. I use my weapons.
Through to your garage. You
These dudes,
need me to bring you
they
a ride?
dead already, bro. on my work. No. Tuesday. Yeah, it was not working, bro. Yeah, it was not firing any at all.
All Horse Mutual operators are on call right now. Please try again later.
If my car is impound, how do I get it? I have to go and steal it, right? Oh, that chopper not working, bro. He's dead.
Alright.
See that it's not working?
Alright, bro, fly us.
Where we going?
I'll set the waypoint.
Where we go?
Right here.
You said it?
Yep.
I see. Okay.
See it?
Yeah.
Yep.
What the hell? What the hell? Sorry. I fell asleep again. Damn. Whoa. Wow. Damn. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Wow. I'm so sorry, bro. You fell out the chopper? Oh my god, I'm going to. Bro, I can't do it.
I was trying to have you have your own helicopter and me have my own helicopter. But
No.
no, he destroyed yours, bro.
Bruh, trust me, bro. I'm
You gotta be high, man. What are you high on, bro?
sleep. I didn't even realize when that happened. I just closed my eye for one
much money
tiny
you got now?
second. Got about 400,000. Not bad. Damn, we need to do this in the morning. Trust me.
Damn, probably crash out, bro.
I'm so tired.
Sinus.
What,
I'm
bro?
gonna crash out.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
bro.
gonna crash out.
Alright, bro.
Yeah.
So,
I'm
get
hot,
somewhere.
boy.
Yeah, you tired. I
Yeah.
know, bro.